Good morning, welcome to Smarty channel. Today in this video I'll show you a trick by using which you can do calculations with super fast speed, that too with minimum use of pen and paper. So let's start the session. So in this session I'll show you how to square a two-digit number, how to find the square of a two-digit number. So let us take a simple example. Let us take 23 into 23, how to find 23 square. So in this, if you observe this number 23, you have two digits. On the left side you have 2 and on the right side you have the digit 3. So first you find the squares of 2 and 3. So 2 square is 4, put it on the left side, and 3 square is and 3 square is 9, so put it on the right side. So you got the left portion and the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, you multiply 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Again you multiply the 6 with 2. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. But 12 is a two-digit number, you cannot take a two-digit number. So out of 12 I will take 2 and I will carry over 1 to the left number. So already on the left side of 2 I have 4. 4 plus 1 carry will give you 5. So this is the required answer. So 23 into 23 is equal to 529. So 23 square is equal to 529. Let us take another example. You have the number 34 into 34. You have to find the square of 34. So in the number 34 you have two digits. On the left side you have 3 and then on the right side you have 4. First find out the square of 3 and 4. 3 square is 9. Put it on the left side. Now 4 square is 16. So put it on the right side. Okay. Now what you do is you multiply 3 and 4. You multiply 3 and 4 and again multiply the answer with 2. That is 3 into 4 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. Put that 24 as it is. Put that 24 as it is. Now come to the right portion of the answer. So in the right side we have 16. 16 is a two-digit number. We cannot take a two-digit number. So out of 16 I'll take only 6 and I'll carry over 1 to the left number. So on the left side of 6 already I have 24. 24 plus 1 carry will give you 25. 24 plus 1 carry will give you 25. But 25 is a two-digit number. I cannot take a two-digit number. So out of 25 I'll take only 5 and I'll carry over 5 to the left number. So already on the left side of 5 I have 9. 9 plus carry over 2 will give you 11. So put 11. So this is the required answer. So 34 into 34, that is 34 square is equal to 1156. It's as simple as that. Now let us take another number. 46. We have to find the square of 46. So in this number 46 we have two digits, 4 and 6. So first find squares of 4 and 6. 4 square is 16. Put it as it is. And 4 square is 16. Just a minute. Yeah. 4 square is 16 and 60 and 6 square is 36. Put 36 on the right side. Okay. Now you multiply 6 and 4. 6 4s are 24. 24 into 2 is 48. 24 into 2 is 48. 6 4s are 24. 24 2s are 48. Now if you see in the middle portion and the right portion of the answer we are getting two digits, but we cannot take a two digit. So on the right side already I have 36, but 36 is a two digit number. I cannot take a two digit number. So out of 36 I'll take only 6 and I'll carry over and I will carry over 3 to the left side number. So already on the left side of 6 I have 48. 48 plus carry over 3 will give you 51. Will give you 51. So put 51. Now 51 is again a two-digit number. I cannot take a two-digit number. So out of 51 I will put 1 and I will remove 5 and I will carry over the 5 to the left number. So already on the left side of 1 you have 16. 16 plus 5 carry over will give you 21. So this is the required answer. So 46 square is equal to 2116. So 46 square is equal to 2116. Now let us take another number, 87 square. Okay, here you have two digits, 8 and 7. First find the squares of 8 and 7. 8 square is 64, put as it is, give space, and 7 square is 49, put 49 as it is. Now to get the now what you do is you multiply 8 and 7. 7 8s are 56. 56 into 2. 56 into 2 is 112. Put 112. Okay, put 112. Okay, sorry, just a minute. 87. So put 112. Now if you see on the right side, we have on the right side we have 49. But 49 is a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So what I'll do is out of 49, I'll take 9 and I'll carry over left to the left number. So on the left side of 9, I already have 112. 112 plus 4 will give me 112 plus 4 will give you 116. So put 116. But 116 is a 3-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit. You cannot take a 3-digit number. You can take only a one. You can take only a single-digit number. So out of 116, I'll take 6 and I'll carry over 11 to the left number. So already on the left side of 6, I have 64. 64 plus 11 will give you 75. So this is the required answer. So 87 square is equal to 7569. So 87 square is equal to 7569. It's as simple as this. Now let us take a last example. 93 square. Let us calculate 93. Let us calculate 93 square. So in the 93, in the number 93, on the left side I have 9 and on the right side I have the digit 3. So first find out the squares of 9 and 3. 9 square is 81. Put space. 3 square is 9. So on the right side I have only single digit. That is 9 is a single digit number. So no problem. Now what you do is multiply 9 into 9 and 3. 9 3 is a 27. 27 into 2. 9 3 is a 27. 27 into 2 is 54. Put 54. But 54 is a 2-digit number. We cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 54, I'll take 4 and I'll carry over 5 to the left number. So already on the left side of 4, I have 81. 81 plus 5 carry will give me 86. 81 plus 5 carry will give me 86. So this is the required answer. So 93 square is equal to 8649. So 93 square is equal to 8649. So if you really like this video and if you want me to come up with more such videos, don't hesitate to subscribe my channel and please click on bell icon and like my channel. In future I will be coming with more such videos. Thank you for patiently watching this video. Have a nice day. On all the best for your future. Thank you.